The dreaded application error, try again later message on Ticketmaster has become an all too familiar sight for ticket buyers, especially during high demand events like major concerts and sports playoffs. This frustrating error occurs for two main categories of reasons: server-side issues on Ticketmaster's end and client-side problems with your device or connection. When you encounter this error, there are 4 immediate actions you should take to quickly resolve common glitches and get back in the ticket queue. Step 1. Force close and restart the Ticketmaster app. This clears temporary memory issues and reestablishes a fresh connection to Ticketmaster's servers. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cached data can interfere with Ticketmaster's website functionality and cause application errors. Step 3. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Network connectivity issues can trigger application errors, so switching networks often resolves connection problems. Step 4. Try accessing Ticketmaster via a different device or browser. Device-specific compatibility issues can cause errors, so switching to another device or browser often provides a workaround. These 4 immediate steps resolve the majority of Ticketmaster application errors within the first few minutes. Most users find success by systematically working through these troubleshooting actions rather than repeatedly refreshing the same page. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the Ticketmaster application error, it's time for more advanced solutions. These methods address deeper system issues that may be causing persistent problems. First, ensure your Ticketmaster app is running the latest version. Outdated apps often have compatibility issues that cause application errors, especially during high-traffic events. Next, perform a complete device restart. This clears temporary files and resets network connections that may be interfering with the app's communication to Ticketmaster's servers. VPN and proxy services can interfere with Ticketmaster's geolocation detection, causing false application errors. These services may make it appear you're accessing from a restricted location. For persistent issues, platform-specific solutions can help. Android and iOS handle app data differently, requiring different approaches to clear corrupted files. On Android devices, clear the app data completely. This removes all cached files and resets the app to its original state, often resolving persistent application errors. For iOS devices, use the Offload App feature. This removes the app but keeps your data, then reinstalls a fresh copy when you tap the app icon again. Prevention is the best strategy for future high-demand ticket sales. Proper preparation can significantly reduce your chances of encountering application errors. Update your app 24 hours in advance, test your login credentials to ensure they work, save your payment information in the app, prepare backup devices, and verify you have a stable internet connection. During the actual ticket sale, follow these best practices to minimize errors. Join the queue early, but avoid excessive refreshing, which can trigger anti-bot measures. Remember, patience is key during high-demand sales. Most application errors resolve themselves within 15 to 20 minutes as server load decreases. Using these advanced troubleshooting methods and prevention strategies will significantly improve your chances of successful ticket purchases.